Hey everyone, check out the Dwi Dowellin 4.9-inch mini drone, perfect for kids and beginners with crash-proof design. It features LED lights and one key takeoff plus landing for easy control and fun flips. The drone offers 3 speed modes, so you can adjust it based on your skill level. With auto hovering, it stays stable when you release the throttle, making flips and rolls easier. Headless mode means you never lose direction no matter where the drone flies. Plus, it comes with 2 batteries, giving you up to 15 minutes of flight time. This Nano Quadcopter is a fantastic gift to spark fun and learning for kids and adults alike. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.